Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upload GIF or GIF on Facebook page. So for that you just need to open your Facebook page, and after that you see this tab. Just click here once, and from here go to this section called GIF. As you can see this GIF, just press here once, and after that you can search here anything you specific you want. But I'm just, for this tutorial, I'm just randomly choosing this GIF and type hello everyone or hey, and then press next and post. So yeah, this is how you post a GIF or GIF on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching.